In this video, I'll show you one of the great features in Google Account that can enable you to turn off any notification from calls or text message while driving. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my phone settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. So click on Google. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on all services. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then make sure you look for silence notifications while driving. So click on that. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.